I've added some pieces and I have let it dry a bit, and so I'm ready to come back through and smooth up these edges. And I'm just using a wet brush. My paintbrush is a little smaller than the one that came in your kit, but it's this stiff brush. And that stiff brush with just water, it's not slip, it's just water, can help me get in and clean up those edges that I can't really get a finger, I can't fit my finger in to clean that up. This will leave a little bit of kind of streaky marks, paintbrush strokes, but it's a nice way to get a smooth transition from one part to another. So the little bumpiness that you get when you're using your finger or a rib or something else to clean can be, made more even by using the brush. So I'm going to come through, and on the littlest ones, I actually end up kind of, started this a little bit before the video started. So I sort of end up smushing that inside, that circle. So I may have to come back through and clean up some of those marks. But this will allow me to get, just not have the things feel so bumpy and uneven. This is a nice technique for smoothing added textures, but you can also use it for smoothing on those carved textures that you have as well. So I'm going to keep doing this. It's not the most fun for you to watch. I'm going to keep doing this and with the video off until it's close to what I want it to be.